Yo, what's going on, guys? All right, welcome back to learning a new trick every day. Today I'm going to be trying to learn no comply frontside tail slides. Always love the way this trick looked. Anytime I try it, nowhere close. For some reason I just can't get the scoop and I would just give up. So today, I'm setting the goal, focusing on it, and I'm not leaving without it. So let's see if we can get one. Let's get a few regular frontside tail slides just to warm the legs up. Maybe that's the problem. I just can't tail slide. Okay. There you go. That one was better. That's a trick I've always been able to do, but it was never one of my strong tricks. You know, like it wasn't like every try, just like, you know, sometimes it's hit or miss, sometimes I stick. And a lot of times I don't get a good snap into it. My frontside ollie, I kind of like hop onto it like a 5-0, if that makes sense. But yeah, so let's see where we're at with the no comply. That was kind of close. I think I definitely need to not pop it as much. Okay. Why do I feel like there's a shinner incoming? Oh, all right, we're getting there. I keep trying to switch up my foot position, you know, putting my toe in the middle of the tail, flat-footed. Nothing seems to be helping me. And like, I don't know, it just doesn't feel like it's getting enough of the 180 to get into it. I feel like I'm going more to 5-0. Like every time I try to scoop, the board just flies away. I don't get it. I feel like every time I see people doing this trick, it's like the most casual thing. Like they just step off, take their foot off, do this graceful like jump and just push the tail slide effortlessly. That's not happening right now. Oh, don't know how good that one looked, but that was it. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm popping it way too high. Oh. That's what I was worried about. What is that? Oh. I think I figured out what's going on here. I'm not staying ahead of it when I'm doing the no comply because I don't want to get the shinner, so I'm leaning back and like pushing it out. Oh! Ah, yes. That one felt pretty good. I'm still kind of popping it over the coping, I think, like too much. I mean, it doesn't look bad necessarily, but I think in terms of consistency, you want it to be this quicker, fast, like scrape, you know, where you're just in more control. I mean, maybe I can get it consistent with the pop, but it just feels a little like it shouldn't be like that. But anyway, I'm psyched I got one. And now leave a comment, let me know what I should learn tomorrow. I'll see you guys then.